Share D-PSC-MN-23 Dell PowerScale Maintenance 20. Question 1. In the context of PowerScale, what is the primary function of the Poppy tool? Question 2. Which of the following tasks is crucial when installing a new FRU in a PowerScale node? Question 3. What is a recommended practice when maintaining CRUs in a PowerScale node? Question 4. What is the first step in planning the installation of a PowerScale cluster? Question 5. How do you ensure data continuity during a PowerScale node hardware upgrade? Question 6. What are the essential phases in the PowerScale installation process? Question 7. What are key considerations when designing the networking architecture for a PowerScale cluster? Select 2. Question 8. When preparing a site for PowerScale installation, which of the following considerations are crucial? Select 2. Question 9. What is the best practice for managing versioning and patches in a PowerScale cluster? Question 10. What is a fundamental step in creating a new PowerScale cluster? Subscribe PassQuestion channel to get more IT search